Welcome back to the channel. If you opened Waze and suddenly saw a message saying no network connection, don't panic. This is a very common issue, especially for beginners. And in this video, I will walk you through every possible fix step by step in very simple language. Even if you have zero technical knowledge, you will be able to fix this by the end of the video. First, understand that Waze depends completely on the internet. Without mobile data or Wi-Fi, Waze cannot load maps, traffic, or routes. So the very first thing you need to check is your mobile data. Swipe down on your phone and make sure mobile data is turned on. If you are using Wi-Fi, make sure it is connected and working properly. Next, turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds and then turn it off again. This refreshes your network connection and fixes many basic connectivity problems. After that, reopen Waze and check if the issue is gone. If Waze still shows no network connection, the next step is to check location services. Go to your phone settings, find Location or GPS, and make sure it is turned on. Also, ensure that Waze has permission to access your location at all times or while using the app. Now, close the Waze app completely and reopen it. On some phones, you need to swipe it away from recent apps. This forces Waze to restart fresh. If the problem continues, restart your phone. This may sound simple, but it fixes many background network glitches that apps cannot fix on their own. Still not working? Now go to your phone settings, open Apps, find Waze, and tap on Storage. Here, tap Clear Cache. Do not tap Clear Data because that may reset your app settings. Another important step is to check if Waze is updated. Open the Play Store or App Store and see if an update is available. Older versions sometimes stop connecting properly. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall Waze and reinstall it. Log in again and give all permissions when asked. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the no network connection issue. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which fix worked for you. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.